So today we have got Harry here from Garage Stars. You lot already know who he is. We're kitting out the garage today. What we're going to be doing, but tell them exactly what we're doing as usual.
So yeah, we're going to be using our black tiles today. 2 custom logos to go in as well. So we're going to change this from a dusty concrete floor. So it's going to be a lot smarter to match the cars as well.
That's what we're on today. So as you know, you can see the garage right now. It looks like a bag of shit. It's going to look 2020 when it's done. Literally such small things make a big difference. So you know, I've all seen it before anyway, but you know, we have to get the garage grace. Stay tuned. Let's talk more action. Just look, people that are worried, it does, do you know what I'm trying to say? And it fucking lasts long. We've had it for how many years we've been using it now? Probably,
I'd say like 3-4 years.
3-4 years. We've had it at the old penthouse, the old crib, the garage.
This is probably our 5th job now.
It's got to be, and it's fucking, once you have this, it's one of the things, once you've had it once, you can't do without it. Like, look at all the dust that's on the floor here now, just from standing on this bit here. You ain't going to see no dust, you can sleep in there after this is done. And I'm being serious, it's a serious thing, so, yeah. It's one of them things that you need to do, and you can just use it inside. I've got ones for like, you've got a playroom, which we need to get done as well. Got the soft ones for the kids. Back garden room, need to get that done. Getting it done in the back of the van. Yeah, it's just fucking such a sick product. Can't even lie, it's sick. Garage Styles. Big up Garage Stars, as you said. It's done, it's looking fresh, way better. Look how much difference it is. No, I'm going to put the old one in there before so you can see. Yeah, finishing touches. This is the fucking best part about it, mate. Get me. Harry, I'm letting you know that I will take your job. Watch this. Watch what I'm on.
New apprentice.
Watch this. Man said the Vita. I tried it. The next one, you know the vibe. Trust me, these sliders have been through World War X, you know. And done. Once again, we've got Garage Star. We've got everyone. Look at the team that's here today. We've got Garage Star, we've got AR, Exterior, we've got Classic Gardens, the guys that maintain the yard. Week in, week out. Look, you've cleaned the fucking thingies already. And the leaves are back. These lads don't even understand these trees are going to get cooked. But we lit. Go follow them all up. We've got an Andy Garage now, and yeah, we've got way more stuff that we need to do. I'm going to carry on with you. It's a bit of a different video, but yeah, we're here. Big up Garage Star and the rest of the team as well. Alright, so boom. There's a few things that I need to tell you about these tiles because I am a professional. You know what, Garage Styles, I'm probably one of your best customers because I've had it for years and I know them in and out. I've got them at my garage, house, indoor, outdoor, you know, like you name it. Obviously in the garage we've got heavy duty ones because there's cars, there's vehicles, there's car wrap, jacks and whatnot that hit, you know, angle grinders slapping off them. We drop diesel, fuel, the lot on them. These tiles are not a joke. They're heavy duty. They last. They're not like them shitty ones that you see from the other companies with the holes in that you see that you can get from fucking Halfords. It's the fucking real McCoy. So if you're gonna go anywhere, think about it. Just think about it. Only go to Garage Sale, and I'm being serious because it's proper thing. That's why I've been using them day in, day out. And if you want to have one inside your house for your kids and they want to hit their heads off the floor, you can get soft ones. So there are all varieties available. Make sure you hit up Garage Style and nobody else. That's what I'm saying. And that's just God's honest truth. Thank you, Harry. Thank you for the team. That's it.